I'm Brian Weber with Weber Automotive. Been in business 30 years this year. We do full import and domestic auto repairs, light trucks, medium trucks. What sets us apart from most other shops? We won the Napa Auto Care Shop of the Year Award in a category in our region with almost 500 shops. We have a very clean, well-equipped, good work environment, clean bathrooms, nice break room, train continually. We have culture is very important and a great team environment. Everybody's treated like family. We respect one another, and we just support each other all the time, no matter what we need. If we need help on a vehicle, if there's questions, we just work together as a good team all the time. And we know that you work to live, you don't live to work. Typical day at Weber Automotive as a technician, we meet 15 minutes before the shop opens. We'll do a group team huddle and talk about the work that's coming in for the day, maybe what's going on with something that carried over from the night before, who's got what challenges, and what might be challenging coming in for the day, and how the work is going to get distributed, and who should do what, for the day. If you have a challenging job you're working on, something that's got your scratching your head, you just don't know what's going on with it, or something's hard to come apart, I've got a lot of experience in it. Our master mechanic has been with us for 24 years. He's got a lot of experience and can fix anything. So we have really, really good resources. If you get stuck on something, somebody to ask a question, how do I get past this, or what should I do next? We've got a great resource and a great team that can support you on that. This industry's changing like crazy. The cars and the technology's changing all the time. So we require that every technician gets 40 hours of continuing education a year. We provide that. There's multiple avenues for that, whether it's local. We do some in-house training. We bring instructors in, and sometimes people from other shops will bring their instructors in also to get training at our facility. And then there's off-site training that's available all the time. What I've learned recently from a technical aspect, I guess, is more about EVs. I mean, I'm always learning, I always have my ear to it, but I'm not in the shop working on cars every day. That's just not my role. My role is to be a coach and a mentor to everybody in the business, and to try to keep the team rolling and the business moving forward, and that we have the right equipment, the right people on board. But mainly, I guess it's about what some of the newer cars are doing. Again, with EVs, fuel mileage standards, how to keep the cars running for a long time as efficiently as possible. If you're coming into our shop and you're interested in EVs, absolutely, because they're coming. We're starting to train more and more on them, and frankly, we want to be the independent shop in the area. In a large area for EVs. Work-life balance at Weber Automotive is really great. For one, we do no weekends. So you will never work a Saturday or Sunday because we're not open, and we just won't have it, because people, they've got a life. They need to have a life outside of work. The other thing we're doing is we're working towards a 3-day weekend for technicians. 410s, for example, is one way to do it. You might be off a Friday, might be off a Monday. So when the shop's hitting their goals, that becomes available to the technician, is to choose a day off. Obviously, the 4 days are going to be longer than if you work 5, but it gives you a way to have 3 days off in a row. If you're a master technician, you're looking for the best place to work, the best work environment, the best equipped shop, comfortable shop, good work, good service advisors that can communicate the work that you recommend to the customers in a good way, that treat people well, in a team that you matter, you're respected and cared for, family environment, you're the best of the best. Our team wants you.